The Alkaline Diet, a comprehensive guide to pH balance and health. This eating plan has gained popularity for its potential to maintain the body's pH balance, which is believed to contribute to various health benefits. The Alkaline Diet, its potential advantages, and how you can easily incorporate it into your lifestyle. Introduction to the Alkaline Diet. The Alkaline Diet is centered around the concept that certain foods can affect the pH levels in your body. pH measures how acidic or alkaline a substance is, and our body has different pH levels in various parts. Advocates of the alkaline diet believe that consuming foods promoting an alkaline environment can improve overall health and even prevent chronic diseases. Understanding pH balance. pH levels range from 0 to 14, with 7 being neutral. Values below 7 are considered acidic, while values above 7 are alkaline. The human body strives to maintain a slightly alkaline pH, with the blood typically having a pH of around 7.4. Proponents of the alkaline diet suggest that modern diets, high in processed foods and animal products, can lead to increased acidity in the body. Alkaline diet principles. The alkaline diet encourages the consumption of foods that have an alkalizing effect on the body. These foods include fresh fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and certain whole grains. On the other hand, acidic foods like meat, dairy, refined grains, and processed foods are limited. Alkaline foods for optimal health. Benefits of leafy greens. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are rich in minerals and chlorophyll. These components contribute to the alkaline nature of these foods and provide antioxidants that combat inflammation. Citrus fruits and their alkalizing effects. Although citrus fruits are acidic, they have an alkalizing effect on the body once metabolized. They're also high in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant. Incorporating almonds and alkaline nuts. Almonds and certain nuts are alkalizing and provide healthy fats and protein. They make for a great snack and can help maintain satiety. Avoiding acidic culprits. The impact of processed foods. Processed foods, loaded with artificial additives and preservatives, are notorious for their acidic contribution to the body. Limiting these foods can significantly aid in pH balance. How meat and dairy affect pH levels. Meat and dairy products are considered acidic. While you don't need to eliminate them, moderation is vital to maintaining a balanced pH. The link between alkaline diet and inflammation reduction. Chronic inflammation has been linked to numerous health issues, including heart disease and diabetes. The alkaline diet's emphasis on anti-inflammatory foods can contribute to reducing this risk. Weight loss and the alkaline diet. While weight loss is not the sole focus of the alkaline diet, many people experience it due to the emphasis on whole, unprocessed foods. Additionally, an alkaline environment might support metabolism. Alkaline water, is it worth it? Alkaline water has gained attention for its potential benefits. However, more research is needed to determine if it significantly affects pH levels in the body compared to alkaline foods. Balancing alkaline diet with other nutritional needs. While the alkaline diet offers benefits, ensuring you're still meeting your nutritional requirements, including protein and essential nutrients, is vital. Incorporating exercise for optimal results. A balanced diet goes hand in hand with regular physical activity. Exercise complements the alkaline diet's goals of overall health and well-being. Is the alkaline diet suitable for everyone? Before making significant dietary changes, consult a healthcare professional, especially if you have underlying health conditions. The alkaline diet might only be suitable for some. Busting myths about the alkaline diet. Various myths surround the alkaline diet. It's important to separate fact from fiction to make informed dietary choices. Meal planning and delicious alkaline recipes. Planning meals can help you adhere to an alkaline diet. Here are a few recipes to get you started. Alkaline breakfast smoothie. This smoothie combines leafy greens, citrus fruits, and alkaline nuts for a nutritious start to your day. Quinoa and roasted vegetable bowl. A hearty dish that features quinoa, a nutrient-packed grain, paired with alkaline-rich roasted vegetables. Creamy avocado and spinach salad. Creamy avocado adds flavor to this salad and healthy fats that align with the alkaline diet. Long-term sustainability of the alkaline diet. The alkaline diet isn't a short-term fix. Its principles can be incorporated into a long-term, sustainable eating pattern for continued health benefits. Tips for successful adherence to the alkaline diet. 1. Gradually transition to the diet to allow your body to adjust. 2. Experiment with a variety of alkaline foods to keep meals interesting. 3. Stay hydrated with water and herbal teas. 4. Monitor your body's response and consult a professional if needed. 5. Focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods for maximum benefits. The alkaline diet's focus on pH balance and whole foods makes it an intriguing option for those seeking a holistic approach to health. By incorporating alkaline-rich foods and being mindful of acidic choices, you can experience improved well-being and vitality. Remember, the key lies in finding balance and making sustainable changes for your body's needs.